Hello friends, today I have motherboard LA-C701P. Okay, this board problem is not turning on. Okay, now I plug this one to my DC power supply and I hope to give power. See, amp is very good and light is turning on in DC jack. Okay, now I check what is the MOSFET gate pin. See, 25 volt is coming and current sensor resistor voltage have 19.45. It means 19 no line, no problem. Very good value. Okay. Now my second step is check in one by one. Okay. Turn off. This is a 5 volt coil. This one 3 volt. This one 1.35. This one 1.5. This one 1.05, this one VCC core. Okay, now we check impedance of this all coils. Multimeter is in diode mode. My red probe I to ground and check black probe is impedance 5 volt. Impedance is good. 3 volt line. Impedance is good and 1.35 ram voltage. Like impedance is good. Okay. Now I check 1.5. Impedance is very good. Okay, and I check 1.05 line. See, impedance is very good. Now check VCC core. Impedance is very good. It means my motherboard not have short circuit. Okay, all impedance is very good. Next step for this motherboard. Firstly, we want to follow no power, not turning on cases. Want to check RTC section. Okay, want to start checking RTC section. Okay, now I check RTC reset and SRT reset. See, this is the jump point. Put check it. JCMOS 1 and JME1. Okay, I add this multimeter voltage mode and check this jump point voltages. I give power. See, voltage is present. No problem. This one voltage is present. It means RTC reset and SRT reset line it is working. It means RTC section input voltages are okay. Now we check this crystal RTC crystal with my DSO. Okay. Before testing RTC, your probe want to 10x mode. Okay. This one is 1x. This one is 10x. Okay. See my DSO. Okay. Now I check RTC this side. See RTC wave is coming. Output side. See RTC is working. It means our CPU or PCH side RTC section is 100% okay. Next step is want to check this on off switch. Okay friends, now I check this on off switch working or not. This is a on off switch pin. Okay, see 3.3 is present. Okay, now I press on off switch. See, high low high signal is working. It means our on off switch is working, but machine is not turning on. Okay, we can go our next step. Our next step is check in IO chip pin. Okay, IO chip working or not. This is a trust check-in pin. It means IO chip VCC pin 9, 22, 33. This all pin have 3.3 voltage going to 3.3 voltage. Okay, and second step is check 37 pin. This is a ENE IO chip. It want to reset. It means easy reset pin. Okay, and third step I check with this on off switch. See, 140 on off pin, this one. Okay, now I check pin number 9 in IoT. See, it have voltage. Second pin number 37, easy reset. See, easy reset is coming. My third step is 114 pin on off pin. Okay, see what happened. Low voltage is coming. Okay, 3.3 count, and it's not stable voltage. Okay, but I press on off switch. Okay, I press my on off switch. See what happened. Voltage is any variation, high low, high signal is not coming. Okay, it means this pin not connected our on off switch. Okay, I do one thing. My multimeter, I set diode mode. Okay, my red probe is in ground, and I hope to touch this black probe and 114 pin. See what happened. Yes, I done. Yes. Motherboard is turning on. It means our IO chip 114 pin and on off socket, on off switch plug-in socket pin have path damage. Okay. My next step is connect to path this IO chip to socket and check again. Okay friends, I sold the IO chip to on off sugar to wire. Okay, now I create new path. Now we can check this machine is motherboard turning on or not. Okay, I give power, press on off switch. See whatever, our job is done. Okay, next step is display come or not, check it. Now I plug my USB keyboard to motherboard and we can check num look on off. It mean display come or not. See, our job is done. See, our job is done. Thanks for watching videos. See you next video. Bye.